Hey everyone, I'm Ishanvi and welcome to my Google GenAI Capstone project. I've built something I like to call CaseFileAI, a true crime investigator powered by Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. In this video, I'll walk you through how I used cutting edge GenAI tools to build an app that can analyze any true crime case, generate a clean, structured report, surface suspects, timeline, conspiracy theories, and even lets you ask follow up questions, all through a beautiful Gradio interface. True crime is everywhere: podcasts, Reddit threads, documentaries. But the actual cases are often a chaotic mess. You've got facts buried in speculation, multiple conflicting sources, and no easy way to separate signal from noise. So I thought, what if an AI could do that for us? Pull together verified data, structure it intelligently, and present it in a way that's instantly useful to researchers, students, or anyone just curious about the case. Here's how CaseFile AI works. You enter any crime related name, vague or specific, like Watcher, John Binney, or even Zodiac. The system uses fuzzy matching plus grounding to resolve the correct case. It fetches structured, factual data using Wikipedia as a source of truth. Then prompts Gemini 2.0 Flash to generate a clean JSON report. You get timeline, suspects, public theories, confirmed facts, even the case impact. You can ask follow-up questions like what was the final verdict. You can export the file as a report in three ways: PDF, .json, or TXT. Perfect for research. Let's talk tech. Here's what I used to build this. Smart input resolver using string matching and fuzzy logic, grounding with real-time Wikipedia fetch, few short prompting for clean, consistent JSON format, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash for fast and structured generation, Gradio UI, simple, clean interface anyone can use. Export functionality makes it usable beyond the app. It entirely runs in a Kaggle Notebook, and hence you can also try it out. Let me show you the live demo. Suppose I put in the watcher as my case. I just simply have to click on investigate, and within 5 seconds it will generate me the whole case, the whole report, including the victim profile, the survivor profile, crime timeline with the date and event, the suspects and their reasons, the facts and the uncertainties, the public theory, the media coverage, the legal outcomes, impacts, and most importantly, references. You can also export the file as a .json, text, or PDF. So what about I have a question? Um, is there any series about it? And I just have to simply click on the ask button for it to generate an answer. So it will tell me that yes, there is a Netflix miniseries called The Watcher. So as the JSON object, because it will open something like this. This is a test which I used for Jia Khan's case, and yeah, this was my Gradio report. And so let's talk about the use cases. So this tool isn't just for fun. It has real world applications. such as students can get structured insights for assignments or debate prep. Journalists can use it as a research assistant to gather verified facts. True crime fans can explore timelines and theories without going down YouTube rabbit holes. Developers and researchers can plug the JSON file into other GenAI ML pipelines for analysis. So the GenAI capabilities I used in my project was few shot prompting. I gave it the input of the Zodiac killer as a sample output for my main prompt. So here is how I used few shot prompting here. The next is a structured JSON output. The next is grounding, which I did via Wikipedia, and agent-like design logic, resolving vague user inputs, the Q&A layer, which lets you ask questions post-generation, and export capability. It takes it from an idea to a usable tool. All of it is tied together in a single unified Gradio interface, no code required to use it. So what is the future scope? Vector search using embeddings for faster retrieval, multilingual support with Google Cloud Translation API, real-time misinformation detection with live Reddit or news grounding, casebook mode, bundle multiple related cases into one AI-generated file, deploy via Vertex AI or Cloud RAM for global scalability. There is a huge opportunity here to use AI for good, to educate, inform, and even prevent the spread of misinformation, especially in topics as sensitive as crime. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a glimpse into how we can use code and AI to bring structure, clarity, and insights to even the most complex human stories. You can try out CaseFileAI right now on Kaggle. The link will be in the description. My name is Ishanvi, and this was my Google GenAI Capstone project. Thank you so much for watching.